Hey, I'm calling with was trying to reach.
She no longer works here.
Okay, is your guys' current property manager available?
That would be me.
Oh, okay, perfect. I was calling to get some information because we are. Are you guys new? Yeah, we're in Portland as well, and we basically help with restoring commercial flooring that is stained or dull. And our program, restores appearance, smell, and increases the flooring lifespan. Would you be open to getting some information to kind of see if it's something you can use in the future?
Yeah. Do you have our property manager email?
Yes. Is that still a good one? Or
Yes.
okay, perfect. I can definitely get some information sent out to you. Do you guys kind of have someone you already go to
Um,
typically?
kind of. We use, but honestly, we've only had one unit floor replaced in the time I've been here, about
Mm-hmm.
7 months. So we don't do that very often, but I would be interested for you to send over the info, and then I can reach out and get a bid next time I need that, just to
Okay.
make sure that we're staying competitive with our pricing.
Yeah, perfect. Well, go ahead and send you guys some information. I only have Miss name. What's your first and last name?
Last name.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'll get some information sent over to you. Did you have some time within the next week just for our team's meeting to kind of have a sit down over our prices?
I am actually going out of town later today, and I will be gone, but late next week I should be available.
Okay. Did you want to do this next Thursday?
Yeah, sure. If you could invite me with the email so that I can get it on my calendar, that'd be great.
Okay. And then did you want to do 3 o'clock or a little bit
Um,
earlier, later?
could we do like 1?
Yeah, I can do for the 26th at 1 o'clock.
Yep, that
All
works for
right.
me. Thank you.
Okay, well, I'll send that out to you, and then you'll get an invite as well.
Sounds great. Have a
All
great
right.
day.
You too. Bye.